Anelka and Marco said they've got major problems with pests coming right in the back door because there's no seal. In fact, their dog sits at the door and just eats nonstop. That's disgusting, and it's not energy efficient. So I've got John and Garrett here from RSU, and we're going to take care of all their problems. This is the punch list.
Hi, my name's Marco.
I'm Anelka. Well, we have a lot of issues, but the issue today is this threshold that Marco and his friends stepped on over the winter, and chunks just kept falling off. So clearly it's very rotted, and I don't know how to fix this.
I'm not gonna do it either.
This is a problem because Layla, our dog, only stays here. She lays against the ground, and she has her nose to this constantly. Bugs are coming in, she's eating the bugs, she's sniffing the air, and we need to get it fixed.
She's more of the handyman in the relationship.
I'm the handyman, but not handy enough to fix this. I was just complaining because he lost a bunch of my drill bits. And I'm like, my birthday's in 2 days. I'm like, please get me new drill bits. I am not fixing the threshold because this is a really old house, and I feel like if I try to fix the threshold, it might unearth bigger problems that I can't fix.
That's why I'm not fixing it either.
Right. Sure. I would love for Jonathan to get here and fix at least this threshold.
Please, Jonathan.
Please help. I feel like you're helping me more, so then I don't have to fix it. But I think by helping me, you're helping us.
It's true.
And Layla. And she would love your help too.
This is going to be great. Marco and Anelka have no idea it's actually me here. They think it's just someone coming to take measurement. Hello!
Hey, what's up?
Surprise!
How are you, Jonathan?
What's going on? I hear you guys have some problems.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'll take it. I'll take a hug.
Welcome.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, beautiful house. You guys have done some work.
Thank you.
I hear you might have a bit of an energy efficiency problem with bugs and breezes and everything coming in the door.
It's true.
We do. We love it.
Your dog really loves it.
Yeah, I mean, she really loves it. We just love the fact it keeps her occupied.
Yeah.
But it's time. It's time to fix it.
Yeah, sometimes, you know, I don't mind bugs being outside, but as soon as they're coming inside the house, it's kind of nasty. So.
Yeah, we just had some pest control, and then I realized it's not going to matter unless we fix this threshold.
Unless you have pest control standing at the, well, you kind of
we
do.
have that.
Yeah, what's your dog's name?
Layla.
Layla sits at the door there. She's your pest control. She just eats it all up.
True.
But tell me you don't let her then lick your face or something.
No.
Oh, I do.
I make her brush and floss first.
Before you do that, we're gonna make this quick and painless for you. I've got John and Garrett from RSU. Come on in,
Hey,
guys.
what's up?
Bring the truck around. We have all the tools. The whole crew.
Welcome.
Show us the door because we are gonna get it fixed.
You guys are coming. Yes.
So was
Like
it like
to
it when
give
you
him a
was
key
it like
jar.
this when you bought the house?
This was not, no. What has happened is that over the winter, Marco stepped on this a few times. See how that works?
Yeah.
Right there. And like that.
We want to actually get the seal on this door a little bit better. Okay. Is that Layla?
That's her.
The pest
That's
control?
Layla.
All right, well, I don't want to take the work away from her, but I feel like we can definitely seal the gap. If you want to play music or you guys want to chill in there, you're good to just hang out for a minute. We're going to see what we can do.
Cool, we appreciate it.
No
We're
worries.
just chill in the AC.
No threshold is exactly the same, so I can see they've done some things to try and reduce the gap there, but I'm going to actually replace the threshold so we can bring it up a little bit. I think that might be the right solution.
Yeah, that's a pretty substantial gap.
So how long have you been playing?
Piano, I'm just tinkering around. I'm a songwriter, so I mess around with that. But my real stuff's in there.
Your
Guitar,
your real tools?
drums,
The real stuff.
Show me the real tools.
The real tools, right there.
So I smash walls, you smash
I smash
cymbals.
cymbals, smash drums, smash everything, yeah.
How does it feel to know that this pesky, annoying pest problem that you've had for a year is now fixed?
I'm relieved.
It's amazing.
Layla's gonna hate it.
Layla's gonna love it because I got a little something for her, so she no longer has to snack on
Oh,
bugs.
that's sweet.
And I got a little something for you guys. You've got a lot of projects around the house. We've got a toolkit in there. That's everything you'll need to tackle any project around the house. And of course, most importantly, oh, there we go.
Gotta have a
You gotta
bobblehead.
have
Look
that.
like bobbleheads?
I noticed you guys have bobbleheads.
You're not the only one with a
This
bobblehead.
is insane.
Look like
Hold
bobbleheads
on.
too.
Let's look at Marco's and look at mine.
But whose bobblehead has better hair, though?
That used to be my
It's
hair.
the sideburns.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, see, his
all
are
about
just
the
growing
burns.
in over here. Yeah.
All right, you know what?
Texture.
Here, I'll get this one. I'll get Drew. Look at that. It's like we're holding your head. All right.
Genius.
That is hilarious.
It's good.
All
You
right.
guys are taller.
You guys, amazing. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, Jonathan.
Thank
Thank you
so
very much.
Thank you.
And thanks to John and Garrett too for
Hey,
giving us
John
a
and
hand.
Garrett.
Oh, you guys are amazing.
Honestly, if you guys have a punch list problem, something that doesn't work at the house, post on social because you never know, we might show up at your doorstep and fix your problems too.
These guys are good.
You know I play the bagpipes, right?
I'm your manager.
Oh gosh, that guy, he's always crunching numbers.
It's a terrible accent.
Where exactly are we from, by the way? I can't figure it out.
Old Blighty, for sure.